Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson, I will explain copywork and book exercise of textbook lesson 8. Prepare the chapter index. These are the chapter contents. Contaminated. First you will write glossary in your copy. Contaminated. Aluda. Pesticides. Kemiyai made. Migraine. Dard shakika. Students, this is not correct meanings for migraine. It is misprinted in your textbook. Fatigue. थकन. डेल्फ इनटू मज़ीद जानने की कोशिश करना. हैज़र्ड्स ख़तरात. रिपरकशन असरात. इस्टीम्ड मुअज़्ज़िज़. अवेयरनेस शऊर. रेकलेसली लापरवाही. ऑब्वियस बरमला. अवेकन बेदार करना. डंपिंग दिलजोई करना. इंसोमनिया बेख्वाबी. डिप्लेशन कम करना. डिप्लेशन कम करना. Contaminated to make a substance or place. Dirty are no longer pure by adding a substance that is dangerous or carries diseases. Pesticides, a chemical used for killing an insect or animal that destroys plants, food, etc. Fatigue, a feeling of being extremely tired, usually because of hard work or exercise. Delve into to try hard to find out more information about something. Hazards, a thing that can be dangerous or cause damage. Repercussion, an indirect and usually bad result of an action or event that may happen something afterwards. Esteemed, great respect and admiration, a good opinion of somebody. Awareness, knowing something, knowing that something exists, it is important and is important, being interested in something. Recklessly, in a way that shows a lack of care about danger and the possible results of your actions. Obvious, easy to see or understand. Awaken, to wake up, to make somebody wake up. Dumping, to act, the act or practice of dumping something, especially dangerous substances. Insomnia, the condition of being unable to sleep. Depletion, the reduction of something by a large amount so that there is not enough left. I took paragraph 3 on page 75 from this lesson. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies such as ponds, lakes, rivers, oceans. Some of the biggest causes of water pollution are industrial effluents and people recklessly dumping waste in the water bodies. Water pollution can lead to loss of water resources for humans, and it can also cause depletion of water life. Pollution of water bodies deprive people of drinking water facilities. This is the reason why all of the types of pollution, water pollution is the one that is most obviously felt. Another hidden effect of pollution of water is the fact that the contaminants in water can damage the water life, thereby affecting the entire food chain. Contaminated water can cause many types of diarrheal diseases, including cholera and other serious illness such as guinea worm diseases, typhoid and dysentery. Question number 1. What is water pollution? Pollution is the addition of harmful substances to water, air, etc. Water pollution is the process of mixing impurities, contamination to water bodies such as ponds, lakes, and rivers. It is harmful for plants and animals. Which types of diseases are spread by contaminated water? Contaminated water is not fit for drinking. It is dangerous to plants, animals, and human beings. It can cause many types of diseases like cholera, typhoid, and dysentery. Write one time cholera. Word cholera. What are the effects of water pollution? Water pollution has negative effects. It can lead to loss of water resources for humans. It can also cause depletion of water life. It can also deprive people of drinking water facility. It can also destroy people and animals. What are the biggest causes of water pollution? The biggest cause of water pollution is industrial wastes. The other cause is that people recklessly dump wastes in the water bodies. The third cause is the poor sanitary system and plastic clogs. Write down the topic sentence for this passage. A topic sentence is the important sentence for a paragraph. It catches the attention of the reader. It is used for the start of the paragraph. It is water pollution. The topic sentence is basically from this paragraph we have selected that it is water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. Topic sentence is water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. Identify different kinds of pollution. This is exercise comprehension. Question number 1. Identify different kinds of pollution. Pollution is basically contamination of harmful agent in air, water and land. Different kinds of pollution include air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, land pollution and soil pollution. Question number 2. Explain why it is important to keep the environment free of pollution. It is very important to keep the environment clean for saving ourselves from different problems and severe diseases. Fresh air, clean and pure drinking water can only guarantee good health. Avoiding unwise use of sound devices and proper disposal system will ensure peaceful life. How does pollution affect our environment? Our environment has been affected by different kinds of pollution, as air pollution causes acid rain, ozone layer depletion. Water pollution can cause loss of water resources, affect the entire food chain and give rise to many diseases. Noise pollution affects our peace and causes migraines, fatigue, insomnia, etc. What are some things we can do to prevent further pollution of our earth? We can make environment healthful by using smoke free cars and low volume of sound devices. Proper disposal of waste will make our surrounding clean and attractive. Planting more trees will keep environment fresh. Find at least 3 causes of pollution and their effect on the environment from the latter. First, air pollution caused by vehicles and industries give rise to cancer. Second, noise pollution caused by urbanization give rise to fatigue. Third, water pollution has affected the entire food chain. Come to book exercise. Choose the correct option. Noise is noise is loud sound. Dash causes air pollution. Industries. The diseases cholera, typhoid and jaundice are due to dash pollution. Option B, water. All of the following are water hygiene disease except insomnia. Option A. Land pollution is the contamination of the soil that is caused due to overdumping. Option B, listening and speaking. This is your oral activity. Make group and ask, restate and simplify direction and instructions. Put the verbs into correct tense, simple present or past present continuous. Students, you have studied about simple present tense or present continuous tense in your previous classes. In simple present tense, we use first form of verb, and for subject he, she, it, and singular noun we use s or es with first form of verb. And in present continuous tense, the verb of present participle is used in our sentences with auxiliary is rm according to the subject. Look, Sarah, go. Because Sarah is a singular noun, that's why we will use for simple present goes, and for present continuous is going. This is word is going. Look, Sarah, go. Sarah goes, and for present continuous is going. Sarah is going to meet her aunt. On her right hand, Sarah is carrying, and for present simple present tense we will use verb carries. The handbag B is the form of is rm, that's why, and handbag is a singular, so we will use auxiliary is. The handbag is very beautiful. Put the verb into correct tense, simple past or past perfect. We know that for simple past, second form of verb is used, and for past perfect, third form of verb with auxiliary had is used for all type of subjects. Look, Sarah went, and for past perfect had gone to meet her aunt. On her right hand, Sarah carried, and for past perfect had carried her handbag. The handbag fell and for past perfect, had fallen on the road. She returned. For past simple past, and for past perfect, had returned. She intended. For past simple past, and for past perfect, had intended to visit all her relatives. Writing portion. Format for application writing. Students, note down the format for application writing. The name and address of the person to whom the application is addressed. You should write here. Then leave one line. Then subject. Reason of application. You will write here. Salutations. Then main body of application, give reason and mention time. Then closing with thanking you, etc. Then signature. Instead of signature, you will write your name and date. Students, in 8th class, we follow the pattern of 9th class. That's why instead of your name, you should write XYZ. And instead of your institute name, you should write ABC. This is an example. The principal, Government High School, Sadar Peshawar. Instead of Government High School, you should write ABC. Subject. Leave application. Sir or madam, with due respect, I want to state that I am not in a position to attend the school. I am down with chickenpox. Since it is a contagious disease, I have been advised quarantine and a few days complete rest by the doctor. Kindly grant me leave for 10 days. 6 December 2017 to 16 December 2017. Thanking you. Yours obediently. You should write instead of your name XYZ. Write an application to the Deputy Commissioner for financial help. This is your activity. You will write this application according to the format. After effective brainstorming, write an essay on the topic Let's Stop Pollution. Student, first you should read the whole lesson. Then write an essay on the topic Let's Stop Pollution to highlight how everyone must work to stop pollution of the air, water and land. Use appropriate transitional words. You know about transitional words. You have studied about transitional words in previous lesson. Thus, then, accordingly, consequently, therefore, henceforth, within and beyond paragraphs for better coherence and cohesion. Students, activity. Do this work in your notebook. Bring your copies to the school for checking. Students, this is your written activity. Exercise A and B on page 79. Stay safe at home. God bless you.